Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to update software version for your headphones Beats Studio Pro in the application. You have to start by open Beats application. Of course you need to add your headphones to the app, and then you will see the same menu, and we have two options how to update them. So you can click at the update at the top, or you can scroll down a bit, we have update available, and click at the update here. We have the same menu as you can see. Click update. Now let's power off these headphones. Here we go. At the bottom of the left ear cup we have power button right here, so you just press and hold this button and you will turn off your headphones. Now we need to wait until this update finish and keep your headphones close to your phone. I will speed up it for you, and then I will show you how to look successful update. Then click OK, and now we need to wait 1 minute. After 1 minute, just turn on your headphones by pressing hold power button at the bottom of the left ear cup. And now let's check, is it reconnecting and is we have the latest version. Did we have connection? Yes. And as you can see, we did it, so just click OK. And thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!